Hi, Punyaraj. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So,
Uh,
Punyaraj, can you tell us something about yourself? Yeah. Please tell us
yes, sir.
something about yourself.
So myself is Punyaraj. I'm basically from Hassan, Karnataka. I'm working as a automation as well as manual test engineer in the Invincible IT services. I have done testing with the three projects. Currently, I'm working as a automation as well as manual test engineer in the Invincible IT services. So this is about myself.
Great, wonderful. Okay, fine. So, can you tell me what is compile time and what is runtime polymorphism?
Sir, compile time means anything uh, which is whenever we do any mistakes within the compile time only, that time will get error. That is called compile time. And runtime means whenever we execute the code, at that time, if we make any mistake, that is called runtime error.
Okay. So, can you write the code for compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism? Right.
Okay.
I'm giving you screen sharing rights. You can click on share screen button. Right.
Compile time polymorphism.
Yeah, compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. So can you share your screen? Yeah, click on this share screen button, green color button.
1 second, sir. Okay.
Hmm. Can you click on this share screen button?
I have clicked the share screen. It is showing some uh, three
No, I have
windows.
given you the rights. You can click on that now.
Share.
Given you the rights. Yeah, now you will be able to share. Yeah, okay. So open online Java compiler. Yeah. So you have to write the code in the online Java compiler. In
Online
the
Java.
real-time interview as well, they will not allow you to use this ID at times. And some of the companies, they have got those kind of things. So you can practice in online Java compiler.
Means command
Yeah,
prompt.
just Google it on Google.
Okay.
Yeah,
1
go
second.
to Google and enter online Java compiler. You can open that link.
Uh, it is not showing me to open new tab. All those icons have been showing on the top.
Hmm. No, that new tab is there, no? Can you click on that Chrome browser new tab which is visible in the Chrome only? Or let me do one thing. Let me open online Java compiler. Wait, I'll share the site with you. Okay, I've shared in the chat box. I've shared that link. Can you check the chat box?
Chat box.
Hmm.
1 second.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Click on that link and share your screen. Just share that window. That's also fine.
Share everyone.
Yes.
1 second, sir. Uh, Now is it visible? Is it
It's
visible, sir?
loading. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, perfect. It's visible. Great.
Okay. Shall I write?
Hmm. Yeah, you have to write the program on runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism.
First, I should write compile time or
Yeah, you can write compile time first. That's fine. No worries. If you are comfortable with IDE, can write in that as well. Switch on the fan. If it's very hot for you, switch on the fan.
Yes, sir.
You have fan AC there? Yeah,
Bangalore. Yes, sir.
yeah. Switch it on. Yeah. Yeah. So you can start writing the program. Yeah.
So here both
Mhm.
both method exist in the same class with the different parameters.
Okay, so what is this? Compile time polymorphism or runtime polymorphism?
Compile time polymorphism.
Okay. The name of the method is same, but the parameters are different. So it
Yes,
is called as compile time polymorphism. It is also called as method overload.
yes, sir. Now shall I write the runtime?
Right?
Sir.
This is great. Now run this program. Let's see the output once. We're getting some error at system.out.println. Okay. So that line 13 number line, you have to add semicolon at that. And S
Okay.
should be capital. System S should be capital.
Yes, yes.
You can keep system S is capital everywhere. Hmm. Now run this program. Okay, so now what is this? Okay, string. So S is again
Yes,
this
sir.
with respect to string. So that should be capital uppercase. Whenever you write classes, that should be in the uppercase only. So you got the code execution successful. Great, great, wonderful. Okay, so this is method overloading. What about method overriding?
Method overriding.
Yes, yes.
Method overriding is nothing but whenever we want to override a particular method or parent class method,
Hmm.
we shall pass new arguments in the child class.
Right,
It will override the previous method.
correct. Okay. So
Can
can you
I
write one
write?
program for method overriding?
Yes, sir. Uh, can I remove this
Yeah,
program?
you can remove this and write one program for method overriding. Use the same class. If you want, use the same functions as well. It's totally fine. Done?
1 minute.
Okay, so you have to add the semicolon after the system.out.println statements, right? You can do it later, right? Else it's fine, right? You can do it this thing later. And let's move to the next question. I've stopped the participants screen sharing. Let's move to the next question. Uh, can you create an object of an interface? Is it possible to create an object for an interface?
In from child class, for example, WebDriver is equal to new Chrome driver, where WebDriver is an interface. We are creating the driver for the WebDriver. Even though we are in the Chrome driver class, we are pointing towards the WebDriver interface. Means we can create.
Okay, you can create or you can create.
You can, yeah, we can create.
Okay, see, we cannot instantiate an interface directly, but you can use anonymous classes or you can use the functional interfaces. That is your Lambda expressions that you can use. Okay.
Okay.
Now, can you call a method from an interface that you have not implemented in any class? Is it possible?
No, sir. Method, in order to use the interface methods, we have to implement that in the child class. Without that, it is not possible.
Okay. So it is not possible directly, but it is possible when you have a method which has a default or it has got a static implementation in the interface. So let me share my screen. This is how you can write the code. If the code is like this, you see. Okay. So first you'll define interface, right?
Okay.
Then you'll write the code default method. Okay. Now void must implement. So this is your abstract.
Okay. Yes. Abstract mode
Now
should be
here,
implemented.
yeah, now here we will take one of the class which is implementing this my interface itself.
Okay.
Okay. So in this case, it's possible. All right. So you can call a method from an interface, provided that method has got a default or static implementation in the interface. Okay. Can you overload and override the static methods?
Yes, sir.
In,
Overload the static method possible.
yeah. Overload is possible.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Correct. What about overriding?
We can override. Yes, we can override the static method also.
So static methods cannot be overridden, right? Okay, what is the difference between string buffer and string builder?
String buffer is a thread safe. String builder is not a thread safe.
Okay.
And in string buffer is usually safe to use for multi-threading operations. String builder is not preferable. for multi-threading operations.
Okay. What about the this performance?
Performance is a string builder. String buffer is little bit slower than string builder.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. What is the difference between array list and linked list?
Sir, array list, linked list, both are uh, used to used for list only. Means store multiple what multiple items.
Hmm.
Array list are ordered form.
Which one are ordered?
Array list.
Okay. How about linked list?
Linked list is not unordered. Means I think.
Okay. Fine. Let me share the screen so we can see the differences. See, array list, right? It is fast. Okay. Linked list is slower. Array list, you can consider the data structure is of dynamic array. Linked list, it is doubly linked list. Array
Okay.
list is slower. Linked list is faster, right? If you say the use case, array list is used for ready heavy operations. Linked list is used for frequent insert and delete operation. So that's the difference between the two, array list and the linked list. Right? Is this clear?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, Punyaraj, I'm done with the interview of Core Java. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. I just want feedback.
Yeah. So feedback is, see, the theoretical aspects, like the difference between string buffer, string builder, or I would say this compile time polymorphism, runtime polymorphism, that's fine. You are able to recall the answers for these theoretical questions. You have to practice more on programs. So if you have to write any program, it can take 5 to 10 minutes. You can write it. You can see what would be the logic, and accordingly you can take that uh, decision. So you have to increase the speed in writing the programs. Rest all looks good. Okay, theoretical fine is fine. Presentation is also fine, right? And you can give multiple mock interviews, so it would also help you, right, in the interview preparation. Yeah.
Selenium is there.